Been testing out YouTube, and here's what I'm learning. Hey guys, I'm Jamie Maglietta, and this is Think Like a Producer Daily. Yes, daily. That's all part of what I'm learning here on YouTube. I'm a television news veteran. I've worked across Fox News channels, CNN, MSNBC, and other networks. I've produced shows, created shows, and built talent. And now I'm pouring all that I've learned into this YouTube channel to help you show up on camera ready for either your podcast, your YouTube channel, or heck, social media. I want more professionals to look and sound great so that when they pitch the press comes a looking and finds someone who's worth showcasing. I had to say no so many times, and I feel like if more people showed up effectively and really leveraged their personal brands online, they would hear more yeses than nos. This can translate into sales as well as press, guys. Everything I'm pouring into this channel is meant to help you create content with purpose. And I believe you create confidence through content. So if you're listening to this and you're like, I'm not confident enough yet, you will become confident as you produce content. I have an episode on this on the Think Like a Producer podcast where I talk about how producers gain their courage and their confidence with every show they create. So if you're someone who's looking to start navigating this new media space and show up with your own show, your own channel, this channel is for you. And if you want more information on my background, who I am, visit my website. There's a link in the description where you can check out oncamready.com. This is the QR code for that. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Here's the QR for that. Oh yeah, I'm all about the QR codes as much as I can be. So guys, today we're talking YouTube and what I've learned. I just came back from Podfest. Have you guys ever been? If you've been to Podfest, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. It was my first Podfest and I absolutely loved it. Since I started my YouTube channel, I've invested in vidIQ. So you will see this and it does show that type of data. But Chris Saliza is someone who truly inspired me to even venture into YouTube so heavily as I've decided to. I've watched him grow. He was producing daily videos on politics, which had really helped him get to his 100K within a year. He's not the only one, guys. Roberto Blake also says that he created content on a daily basis before really seeing growth on YouTube. Again, I do pay for vidIQ, so you can see some of that data here on what he's potentially earning. It's really inspirational to see how much their earnings potential is. Daily can really help train the algorithm. And the more I am testing on YouTube, the more I'm learning that it's really better to do daily clips between like 5 and 11 minutes than it is to do shorts. And here's why. I'll go into more depth on all this analysis that I picked up from Podfest, but a lot of it just solidified what I was seeing and really supercharged my personal research, okay? So this one guy completely agreed with the strategy of using shorts for brand awareness and to get people to come to your channel, but using them strategically. So I believe that if you use shorts a couple times a week, that's going to help. But if you're doing 2 or 3 a day, YouTube's going to get a little frazzled because it's not going to know what type of channel you are. So it may start feeding you more people who want shorts versus long form content. And there is argument for that, which I'll talk about in another video. But for this, I just want to say that as I was doing my research, I started to see that yes, YouTube shorts do bring in people and sometimes followers, subscribers, but they don't necessarily always translate into long form views. And my goal is to help people by sharing the knowledge I've gained over 20 years in television so that they can structure their personal brand online to be more attractive and appealing to the media, to sales, to clients. So I need the long form. I can't teach it all in just a 30-second bite. So if you're looking for more videos and tips, this is where you're going to come, guys. If you're contemplating starting a podcast or building a YouTube channel, be here with me. And if you're not, but you know a friend who is, I hope you'll share this video. So I've decided to do dailies because I have seen people succeed with daily content. So I am going to go all in on my YouTube channel starting today, January 21st, and this is going to be my first daily. I'm only going to do 3 this week, and I'll do 5 days a week. This won't be 7 days a week. And on the daily Think Like a Producer, I'll be able to share more tips that tie into relevant current events, the news, what's happening in this industry. I'll be able to pop on and share my thoughts on articles, as well as guide you with my frameworks and tips that I share with my clients, and even show you different lights and products that I use that I find helpful. It'll give me more access to you in bite-sized bits instead of 45-minute long chunks. My Think Like a Producer podcast will continue, and I'm going to include some of my thought leadership on that podcast. But my reviews of YouTube podcasts did so well that I now know I need to have that return to the Think Like a Producer podcast and continue teaching you how to produce like the OG podcasters in audio space and the pioneers on YouTube. So I will continue my Think Like a Producer podcast with that. And I'll also have this daily where I can give you all my tips and tricks because I had way too many to just sit back and not create content to help you. These will be lightly edited, and it's all to make sure that I don't burn out. Okay? So if this sounds good for you, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Check out my podcast, Think Like a Producer, as well as the Unknown to Known podcast. I also have Riverside tutorials and some other tutorials here. And if you're new to the content creation space and you're looking for Riverside, I have a discount and an affiliate code in the description. I do make a few cents off that affiliate link, but it does support my efforts, so I do appreciate it if you use it. Let me know. And I'm going to try to have lives. So, in addition to these dailies, I'll also try to do one of them as a live, potentially on Fridays, or in addition. We'll see how I'm feeling. So be on the lookout for that. I'll be coaching people live on YouTube to help you navigate in this new media space. And sometimes maybe I'll bring on a live guest to help you depending on what you guys need. So follow along, subscribe, and I'll see you online.